to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is a special one. I am getting everything ready for Layla's 6th Barbie birthday party, and I am super excited to show you guys how I created everything and how I put everything together. So if you are interested in getting any party motivation in DIY, definitely sub to my channel and stay tuned. When I say it looks like all things pink threw up in my house over the past couple of weeks, you guys, I am not playing. There were pink balloons, pink confetti, pink DIY, pink this, pink that, and pink is my favorite color. Layla wanted a Barbie party, so I went all out for her 6th birthday, you guys. Wish my baby girl a happy birthday in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Also, let me know what part of the world and country you are from. If you are from Texas, or if you are from the Caribbean, if you are from South Africa, or if you are from Washington State like me, let me know down in the comments. Now, in case you're wondering, I was definitely not able to fit all of the footage of the DIY party motivation and inspiration and her actual birthday party into one vlog. So there will be 2, possibly 3 parts to this video. I hope you stick around to watch all of them. I will have all of them linked down below in the comments if you want to catch 1, 2, or possibly 3. Hi, son. Maxwell.
I print out
Hi.
I feel like I'm going to make, so I'm going to do that.
No, don't put the balloon in your mouth.
Also, on her Instagram, I feel like she shares a lot of breakfast ideas, and that's what I'm having a lot of trouble with lately.
Say hi. Say hi, internet aunties.
Leftovers.
Say hi, YouTube aunties.
Last night, oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Curry, but also this
So I got done with all the balloons except for one big one, and that came with the kit, and then all these little ones. This is not wanting to blow up all the little ones. This doesn't want to blow up the little ones, so first thing we are starting with is the balloon arch. I feel like they're so inexpensive and they make any party pop. They are definitely a must-have for your parties, you guys. And the first thing that I am going to be doing is simply blowing up a ton of balloons. If you don't want to have to blow them up with your mouth, definitely invest in a little $20 balloon pump. I found mine at Walmart. I've had them from Amazon, and they all work the same. If you are interested in getting your hands on one, I definitely recommend, if you are going to be blowing up a lot of balloons for balloon arches, if you have a lot of birthdays, definitely invest in one of these little $20 machines. I will definitely link it down below in the comments for you. The next thing you're going to want to do is tie them up 2 by 2. And the next thing besides the balloon pump that I can recommend 100% to get is this balloon arch, this gold circle, you guys. I've been doing balloon garlands and arches for years. If you have been following me on my channel, you know I have a ton of party decorating and DIYs on my channel that involve balloon arches and balloon garlands. I've never had one of these. I've always wanted one. I didn't invest in one of these, but this was a total game changer. I'm so in love with it. It made the balloon arch so special, so much more professional looking, and I definitely recommend this. This specific one was $36 from Amazon, and it will link down below in the description box. The next thing you are going to want to do is start to bunch the 2 by 2 balloons together and tie them up in any direction and all sorts of angles together with either a fishing line or some balloon string, and start bunching them together, and that's how you are going to start building your balloon garland. I normally do use, when I make my balloon garlands, a fishing line because it never snaps and it never breaks, but I couldn't find it this time, or I had run out. But I this time used some balloon string and it kept breaking, so I do not recommend using balloon string. make sure you have invested enough time to have enough patience to do your balloon garland. While I was trying to do mine, I had my 8-month-old baby boy Maxwell messing with me, trying to get all the balloons, trying to do this, trying to eat them and everything. So I had to put little boy to sleep. I had to put him down so I can get some stuff done. But from start to finish, from the time I started blowing up the individual balloons to tying them 2 by 2 to putting them in bunches and then tying them up in the actual garland, it took about 1 hour and a half. To me, which is a steal. The more you make these, the more easier it will come to you and the more beautiful they will be.
Yeah, brick by brick, now let me I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me yeah, brick by brick, now let me I wanna be right there by your side.
Look how good it looks, you guys. It's definitely coming along. I got my specific colors of balloons because it is a Barbie party in all different shades of pink and golds, and I got this from Temu for $8, you guys. I am like kind of obsessed with Temu right now. I feel like they are Amazon on steroids or worse. Very dangerous because you're just gonna keep on ordering and ordering and ordering with all of their coupons. But I've done several collaborations with them. You guys have bought several things and made several orders, so thank you for that. I, again, am kind of obsessed with Temu. This balloon arch would be probably $20-25 on Amazon, and I got it for $8 on Temu, so definitely winning there. You can buy individual packs of balloons. If you want to go the cheaper route, you can get them from the Dollar Tree, you can get them from your local Walmart or Target. You can customize these balloon arches and garlands to any colors you want, or you can go my route and order from Amazon or Temu.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down.
So since the balloon garland is done and looking beautiful as ever, ready for tomorrow in the Barbie party, it is now time to start stuffing these super adorable bags that I got from Temu for a couple of bucks each. And I am so obsessed with the way these turned out, you guys. These were perfect for the little girls. They absolutely loved these. I got these little 8 packs of charm bracelets for girls. They're super cute. They're all Barbie colors from Temu. And I got this huge pack of Slinkies in bulk from Temu. This is all the gift bag stuff. All of these really cute little glam bags. This one says glam. This one says hair. How cute. Another pink one that says hair. So adorable, you guys. I'm in love with these bags. I can't wait to fill these up. Glam. Here are some kind of Sherpa-y ones. Hair again. Love the aqua color. These ended up being only a couple of dollars each, if not $1 something, from Temu with coupons. Little glasses, little heart-shaped glasses for all of the little girls. Of course, piñata candy, and a ton of this shredded paper to fill up the gift bags with. And then I don't think I have enough shredded paper, so the huge bulk tissue paper that I bought from TJ Maxx for $5.99, I think I'm going to take one each, scrunch it up, and then put it in here on the bottom so it can kind of be like a filler, and it'll make it not look all flat and stuff. What, honey? These gift bags would be great ideas for a bridal party or a spa day and a spa party or a sleepover for little girls or for even adult women. These would be good for a concert that you're going to, a baby shower. So cute. So I am gonna end the vlog here. There is so much more to come, you guys, for the Barbie party. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Pretty, honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.